Good evening, all of you. Today we will study the new poem My Heaven, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. First, introduction of the poem. The poem My Heaven is an extract from Tagore's famous work Gitanjali. The poet advises his countrymen to know the meaning of true happiness. They should live in an atmosphere free from fear where they feel themselves proud and dignified. Everybody should be free in getting knowledge and using his reasoning power. Society should not be divided into small sections on the basis of religion, caste, and language. They should be true to everyone. The poet prays to God that he should give his countrymen some virtues so that they may feel that they are living in heaven. People should think something new on the basis of their reasoning. They should be progressive in their thinking and action too. The first stanza of the poem. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come off from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. The explanation of the poem. The poet wishes that the people of his country should be free and fearless. They should lead a life of self-respect and honor. The poet further says that everyone must be free from the bondage of religion, caste, and language in getting knowledge. The society of his country should not be divided in small groups of religion, caste, and language, and all the people must be the followers of truth. They must try to achieve the human perfection, or they should try hard to cultivate the qualities of humanity. They should be striving constantly for getting perfection in every field of life. हिंदी में हम अगर इसको देखते हैं तो कहा जाएगा कि पोएट भगवान से यह प्रार्थना करता है कि उसके देश के लोग स्वतंत्र और निर्भय होने चाहिए, उन्हें आत्मसम्मान और स्वाभिमान का जीवन बिताना चाहिए। पोएट आगे कहता है कि प्रत्येक को ज्ञान प्राप्त करने में धर्म, जाति और भाषा के बंधन से मुक्त होना चाहिए। उसके देश का समाज धर्म, जाति और भाषा के छोटे छोटे वर्गों में विभाजित नहीं होना चाहिए और सभी लोगों को सत्य का अनुसरण करने वाला होना चाहिए। उन्हें अथक प्रयास करने वाला होना चाहिए जिससे वे मानवीय पूर्णता प्राप्त कर लें, या उन्हें मानवीय गुणों को पैदा करने का प्रयास करना चाहिए। उन्हें जीवन के प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में पूर्णता प्राप्त करने का अथक प्रयास करना चाहिए। The second stanza of the poem. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever winding thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Explanation of the poem. The poet prays to God that the people of his country should be the followers of the truth. They should not be the slaves of the old customs which have now become useless. They should accept the new thoughts and ideas as tested on the basis of reasoning. The countryman should strive constantly to find out the truth and the goodness with the help of the reasoning. Therefore, they should learn to reason. The poet compares reason with the stream of clear water, and the old habits and customs are compared to the dry and dreary desert of sand. The people should be progressive in their thinking as well as in their actions. The poet prays to God that his country should be blessed with freedom. हिंदी में अगर हम इसको देखें, पोएट ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता है कि उसके देश के लोग सत्य का अनुसरण करने वाले हों, उन्हें पुराने रीति रिवाजों का दास नहीं बन जाना चाहिए जो व्यर्थ हो गई हैं। उन्हें नए विचार अपनाने चाहिए जिनकी परीक्षा तर्क के आधार पर ले ली गई हो। देशवासियों को सत्य और अच्छाई की खोज करने के लिए निरंतर प्रयास करने चाहिए। इसमें तर्क शक्ति की सहायता लेनी चाहिए, यानी वो तार्किक बने, ऐसा चाहता है पोएट। इसलिए उन्हें तर्क करना सीख लेना चाहिए। पोएट तर्क की तुलना स्वच्छ जल की धारा से करता है तथा पुरानी आदतों और रीति रिवाजों की तुलना सूखे भयानक बालू के रेगिस्तान से करता है। लोगों को अपनी विचारधारा में तथा अपने कामों में प्रगतिशील होना चाहिए। पोएट ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता है कि वह उसके देश को आज़ादी का वरदान दे।